Hey guys, welcome back. I have just arrived in Ahmedabad, which is a city in Gujarat, and I'm just going to check in and show you my room. I've booked a hotel which is right in the center of the city, so I can go around with ease. And I've just opened the curtains. Look at my view from my room. I know it might be noisy for some people, but I absolutely love it. I love the sounds of the city, and that's what inspires me, and that's why I'm here. I wasted no time, got in an auto, and went straight out. And guess where I went first? I went straight to the evening food market. It is a street, it's called Law Gardens, and I've just come straight here. There are lots of food stalls lined up together, lots of shopping. There are shoes, there are bags. People are out and about because it's the weekend. You can see some watches, some sunglasses, some jewelry. I have to admit, I did buy one pair of chumkas, which I hope to wear in the UK soon. Also, there were lots of amazing clothes being sold, just so colorful. I absolutely love the colors. I personally don't own many black clothes at all because I think there are so many colors in the world that we need to enjoy. Look at the bright, beautiful skirts on display. Absolutely stunning. And I found out that my one of my favorite places to eat in Mumbai used to be Swati Snacks, and I found out that they have a branch, couple of branches in Ahmedabad as well, and that's where they started initially. So I went straight in. You can see it's not very busy because I went just before dinner time, and the first thing I ordered was this katanu shak and satpadi roti. Katanu shak is mostly a Rajasthani dish, but it's served here with satpadi roti. Satpadi roti actually means 7 layers. I don't think these rotis have 7 layers, but it is quite flaky and has got many layers. It's served with this kind of achari green chili, kind of pickled green chili, and obviously my favorite coriander chutney. As you know, I love a good coriander chutney. This is one of their most famous dishes, and this is the taste I remember from many years ago living in Mumbai, and it's actually still tastes exactly the same. It's spicy, it's packed full of flavor, it's got this heat and warmth, and the chilies are not very hot in this dish, which is quite nice. And gatanu shak is absolutely delicious and perfect combination to go with this satpadi roti. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I went on my own to the restaurant, and I was really conscious to put the camera on because everyone was watching me film this. I also ordered a dabeli. Now, dabeli is something that I've shared a recipe for in my street food book. I used to love eating these in Mumbai, and it's filled with like a really nice spiced potato mix, a couple of different chutneys, and spiced up peanuts, which is really key to this. It has a really different flavor because you use a dabeli masala mix, powder mix for this. As you can see, I ate it and it was so spicy. I can eat spicy food, but this was really, really hot. And I had to take a little break while eating this because it was so hot, as you can tell from my expression. So I had to order an ice cream to calm myself down, and they changed their pudding menu and their specials according to the season. Right now they had guava ice cream, and it was really creamy. It came sprinkled with chili powder because when you buy guavas on the roadside, you can buy the fruit. They usually cut it up and sprinkle chili powder on top, and this is exactly how these guys served the guava ice cream. I finished it all. I loved it. It was like a really creamy ice cream, like a rabdi, which is again an Indian sweet dish, which is like thickened milk. It was really nice, and I really enjoyed it. So I hadn't had enough, and I went back to Swati the next evening just to have a little snack of this sabudana khichdi. I love sabudana khichdi. It's really, really delicious. I don't make it very often, and I had it with some nimbu pani. I took my sister with me this time, and we also tried the Mysore masala dosa, which I have to say I've had better dosas in my life than this. It was my first dosa after landing in India, so I was not complaining. I enjoyed it, but we get better dosas elsewhere, I think, for sure. So the most famous and most ordered dish of this restaurant is panki, which is made with like a rice flour, and it's steamed in banana leaves, and it is really delicious. So it's called panki chutney because they serve it with the green chutney and again the pickled chilies, and the whole combination is lovely. Also, they are really light and fluffy, and yeah, really delicious, very subtle flavors but stunning dish. We also took a little trip to the house of MG and tried their delicious thali in Agashi restaurant, and I've made a video of this trip because they were kind enough to show us around the whole of house of MG. So I made a really nice video for you guys so you can look around inside the place and what all it has to offer. So you can check it. It's on my channel right now. I will leave the link in the description below. And that was the end of the day. Look at the sights and sounds, and I just stood there and took it all in because it was the weekend. There were lots of families out there. You can see kids and families having a really lovely time. It's just the buzz and the kind of the noise, everything is just amazing. I absolutely had the most brilliant day. This was the Charaha, or the crossroads, where as we call it. So I'm just sharing the overview of the whole kind of chalk with you here. I jumped into an auto and went back to the hotel. I had an absolutely brilliant day. I hope you guys enjoyed my video here. I will get back to recipes as soon as I get back into my kitchen. Till then, I hope you will enjoy my India videos. I'm also sharing few street food reels, shots actually, on my channel. So hope you stay tuned, and thank you for watching.